Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a really easy DIY hydrating hair mask using aloe vera and glycerin. Also, I'm very sorry if you can hear any background noise. There are some repairs happening in my building today. I'm starting off by removing the gel from my aloe vera leaf. You can use prepackaged aloe vera gel if you'd like, or if you don't have access to aloe vera leaves where you live. You really only need a few tablespoons of the gel depending on how much of this mask you are trying to make. I keep my leaves in the freezer, so this one was still a little bit frozen and that's why the consistency looks like that, but just in a few minutes it did defrost. After extracting the gel, I went in and added some of this herbal hair mask from the Innate Life. You can use any other oil mask of your choice, or you can use a regular oil of your choice, and I used about 1 tablespoon or a teaspoon and a half. Then I went ahead and added about a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. If you don't have access to vegetable glycerin where you live, you can totally skip this step. I just like to include it in some masks for some extra hydration, and one of you guys actually requested that I do a hydrating mask using it, so I can show you how I like to use it. So this is for you guys, and you can always add a little bit of vegetable glycerin to any DIY mask that you're making if you want to just add a little bit extra hydration. So I'm applying this mask on dirty hair, and I'm focusing it mainly on my ends and length because I already have a scalp treatment on, and the scalp treatment I was using on this day was the By Aram hair oil. You can apply this mask to your scalp if you want. Aloe vera gel is actually really beneficial for dry scalp and itchiness, so if you're experiencing a lot of dandruff or itchiness due to dry scalp, this would probably help you out. Aloe vera is very hydrating, and it's a really nice natural conditioner for the hair and scalp, which is why I chose it for this mask. Another reason why I love using aloe vera gel as well as glycerin in my hair is because they are both humectants, and humectants help to draw moisture from the air, which helps to hydrate your hair. However, humectants can have negative effects on your hair if the dew point in the air isn't ideal. So if the dew point in your area is too low, humectants can actually draw moisture out of your hair and leave it feeling very dry. And if the dew point is too high, it can draw too much moisture into your hair, leaving the hair cuticle bloated, which will cause a lot of frizz. The ideal dew point is between 35 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit, so I just use a dew point calculator online to make sure that the dew point where I live is okay for me to be using humectants. But when your dew point is ideal, humectants are amazing for hydrating the hair and adding a lot of bounciness, shine, and just helping with the overall health of your hair. Once my hair was completely coated, I threw it up in a bun and I left the mask in for about an hour before washing it out normally with my shampoo and conditioner. And these are the results on my hair. I love my hair feeling super soft and looking very shiny. I love using hydrating masks for these reasons, and aloe vera gel never fails me. Again, you can always just use pure aloe vera gel on your scalp and hair as a mask on its own, and it's still super beneficial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this mask, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!